Use a toy dog, then pull on the leash to make your dog follow it. Bringing your dog any location you want. But if your dog does not do this, instead hook your dog's leash onto your toy dog and then pull it. Bringing your dog anywhere you want inside still.